Yo, what's happening, guys? Today we're going to be going over the trade that we took inside of the live signals room this morning. So this trade actually made me $9,000. I have 3 top step accounts which are all 150k funded, and we made 3k on each of those accounts, which totals in 9 grand profit. So I'm just going to be going over a nice and quick brief breakdown on the trade that we took. And I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on why I decided to take that trade and what I was thinking going into it pre-market. This is a daily buy-side liquidity level. As soon as this got taken and the 950 to 1010 macro is coming about, I was anticipating a bearish displacement to the downside, right? Once this got taken, I'm no longer bullish, right? This is an external buy-side liquidity level. So once that gets taken, that's where you want to exit most of your positions. If you're long, you want to exit your full position and external level, right? You take partial profits and internal, and full profits and external. So once this got taken here, my bias switched, right? I was bullish going into the morning, but after that got taken, I'm bearish, okay? If you were looking at ES at the time, this was actually a bearish SMT. So ES took this high, NQ didn't. Therefore, that means NQ is the weaker one. That adds to our confidence that we want to head lower. You shouldn't trade based off an SMT, right? Do not place trades based off SMT. That should just add to your trade. It should just give you more confidence that we are heading lower. You shouldn't press a sell or a buy just because we have an SMT, right? Don't do that, guys. It should only add to your confidences. So I seen that. That gave me confidence for going lower. I was anticipating a displacement. We got that in this candle, right? This 2 minute. Once you get that market structure shift, you want to identify your fair value gap. And that was this one here, right? And I just want to make something very clear, guys, yeah? Look at the bodies of the candles. Look how they're respecting that gap, right? The wicks do the damage. The bodies tell the story, okay? Always look at the body. Don't look at the wicks. As long as the bodies are respecting the fair value gap, that is what you call algorithmic, okay? The algorithm is in play here, guys. So that gave me even more confidence. And look at the timing, right? 9:52 here, 2 minute gap. I send in the signal at 2:52. So I'm in a different time zone, guys, but 2:52 is 9:52 New York time, right? So I send the signal. I give you the stop loss, 18,134.50, which is above the 2 minute candle's high. I'm pretty sure you're risking like 20 handles here on this trade. Yeah, about 20 handles, right? And I was targeting this internal sell side. So look at that, it's a 1 to 3, guys. A 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. I gave your TP1, so your TP1 was just that 25 handles, which gives you a 1 to 1. I personally didn't take partials there, but I alerted everyone in the chat, you know, set stops to break even, final TP, closed 8% here, once we were nearing this level here, and eventually it hit. I closed out fully 55 handles, and yeah, guys, that's what we've done inside the signals room. But I just want to show you these chats for transparency, because you can see the time I send the signal. You can see how accurate this is, right? As soon as I enter, you get my entry straight away, right? But yeah, that is the trade for today, guys. After we took this, we were done for the day. I made enough money, right? Very nice end to the week. And even though this week wasn't the greatest, right? However, we didn't take many losses, right? Monday was a bank holiday day, so we didn't trade. Tuesday was the day after a bank holiday, so I don't trade that because it's usually choppy. Wednesday was FOMC, so I didn't trade the morning session because that's going to be choppy. Thursday, we had a massive run overnight, so I didn't trade that because it was choppy in the morning. So, like, the 4 of them days, we didn't trade, guys. And Friday, we took a massive trade, and we're still up on the week. So that just shows, right? You need to have patience, guys. And if you have patience, look, I didn't trade for 4 days, and then boom, I get one big trade, and I'm up on the week. We make money pretty much every single day in the signals room. I'm not quite sure why you guys are not in there yet, right? But this is for the free members. I want to encourage you guys to get in there because the prices are going up. End of this month, in March, As soon as it turns 1st of March, it's $30 a month, right? Right now it's only 20. So I'm gonna leave you with that, guys. Go enjoy your weekend, and I will see you Monday.